channel. My name is Michael Odiba. If you like these videos I'm doing here, kindly subscribe to this channel and welcome. This is TRXPool.net. Is where I earn 5 TRX every 24 hours. 5 TRX every 24 hours. And if I go back here, you will see my initial deposit of 100 TRX. Like I said, of 100 TRX, you can see it here. That is what I deposited on this platform, and I am earning 5 TRX every day. It's all beyond your imagination, and I tell you, this is amazing. Now, for those who are yet to come on board, if you click deposit, there's a link in this video. In this video on how to come on board. You say transfer to basic, transfer to promotional account. So you're going to pick basic. When you pick basic, they'll give you a Tron wallet address. Copy the address. When you copy the address, send your Tron to that address. And when you finish sending your Tron from your external wallet, what do? You come back here and say recharge completed. If you are done with that, within few seconds you will be able to see your deposit on your account, just like the way mine is here. It will reflect here, bam, and they are going to give you 100 TRX, just 100. They'll just give you 100 TRX there. It's of no use. Now, trading, you go to trading here on a daily basis. You claim here free. You can see network. You can see 9.99 Tron claimed, received. So you will claim that every day as you progress. And there's one other thing I wanted to say. If you make a deposit, the day you make a deposit from 100, I advise you use 100 so I can make a good tangible money. Because if you earn five Tron every day, 1 2 3 4 5 for 5 days, that is 10 25 Tron. So you will see. But if you are doing a 1,000 Tron, it's okay. But my advice is just do 100. For those who know what I'm saying, just do 100. Do 100 is okay for me. For me, 100 is okay. If time goes on, I want to increase based on what I've seen, I will do better. But for now, I'm doing 100, and I'm going to do later, add it up. But for those who know that can't afford anything online to lose anything, just do 100. I think with a 4,000 naira, you can start with 100 TRX. And I'm going to show you guys how to withdraw today, because I have earned for today. If I click withdraw here, you will see that I have 5 TRX daily withdrawal limit. So I'm going to go to my Clever app and copy my receiver's address from them. And then when I copy my receiver's address from there, I will now bring it here and paste it here. And when I paste it, you all guys are going to see within a second, you are going to see that the money is going to reflect in this particular wallet. I have 309 currently now in this wallet. I have 309 TRX, which is about $19. So I'm going to copy my receiver's address here. Here is the receiver's address. You copy it, then you exit this place, you go to the site again. Now you put in here, I have 5 here. I put in 5, and then you paste your receiver's address here, and then you put in your pass. So at the initial time you are doing that registration, you're going to put in your pass. It's called security pass. So at the initial time you put in your security pass. That is what they're going to use to send you payment. You see, submit successfully. I'm not going to save this. And when we go to my TRX wallet, you can see it has dropped here at the top of my phone here. You can see that icon. It means there's a deposit to my TRX wallet address on Clever. You can see now the 5 has landed. a 5 has, then you can see 314. So this is it. 5 TRX landed in my wallet. So if for instance you are doing 100 TRX in 5 days, you are making 25. Another 5 days you are making 25. Another 5 days you are making 25. That's 75. In another 5 days, that is 4 weeks in a month. So for 30 days, 30 days, you make your capital back for 30 days. So you are making 100 TRX in 30 days. Guys, the site is amazing. It's amazing. You see, it has landed. So if you find this video helpful and you want somebody, you know someone that wants part of this, you can share this video. My WhatsApp link is there. Always contact me if you have any issues, and then we can talk on WhatsApp. Feel free, and then see you in the next video. Thank you.